Hey fam, what's good? What's good? I hope that you're all well and keeping safe. I hope that you all had an amazing week. So in today's content, I will be sharing my outlook on this beautiful pair called Nasdaq. Before we're gonna start off this content, please do hit that like button. Please do hit that sub button. I will highly appreciate that. If you want to leave a comment, feel free to leave it in the comment section. So without wasting no time, let's get into the breakdown. Now, starting off from my actual daily time frame, right? We can see that we are currently tapping inside an area of resistance over there. As you can see, we had a nice turning point. Now we're currently tapping inside this area of resistance. Now, in an area of resistance, we are looking for some sort of selling opportunities. Are we just going to press the sell button just because we are tapping inside an area of resistance? No, we're not going to do that. No, we're not going to do that. Okay, so I'm waiting for some sort of rejection inside this area before having some downside potential, right? But I also do have my eye out on this area of resistance over here as well. Okay, previous area of support, we broke below. Previous area of support, we broke below. We haven't came back for the retest, so I do have my eye out on this area as well. Okay, so I am basically waiting for some sort of rejection either inside this area of resistance over here or this area of resistance over there. Right now, Monday, will I find myself trading on Monday? Yes, if there is an actual opportunity that will reveal. Right now, if we basically can have some sort of a bull momentum towards the outside, have a closure below, well, above this area, then I would be basically waiting for some sort of a pullback for a continuation move back inside this area of resistance. Then I will wait for some sort of rejection before having some downside, well, potential downside movement. Right now, if I want some downside movement, you always need to make sure that you do know where you want to take price into. Right now, as you guys can see over here, with these nice actual turning points on these lows, get yourself a nice trend line drawn out, just like that. Boom, boom, and extend it to the near future. Okay, first touch, second touch over there, right? So if I can find myself having, well, if the market can find itself rejecting at this area over here, I am waiting on a pullback back inside my actual trend line for a potential move back towards the upside. Okay, if we're gonna have a rally towards the upside, I am waiting for some sort of a rejection first before having some downside potential for a potential continuation move back towards the upside. Okay, now the time frame that will basically give me that confirmation, would be my 4-hourly time frame. Why? Because my 4-hourly time frame basically fuel my daily time frame on where it's gonna go. My daily time frame fuels my weekly time frame on where it's gonna go. My weekly time frame is fueling my monthly time frame on where it's gonna go. Okay, so going down to my actual weekly time frame, well, my 4-hourly time frame, looking at structure. Okay, looking at structure, we can see that we do have this nice low, higher low, higher low, right? We do have this nice high, higher high, higher high over there, right? Now, before I'm gonna look for any downside potential, all I'm basically gonna wait for is a change in structure on my 4-hourly time frame before looking for any selling opportunities inside this area of support number 1 or inside this area of support, well, resistance number 1 and this area of resistance number 2 over there. So all I'm basically going to wait for is for structure to change from this nice bull market to a bear market inside my area of resistance number 1 or my area of resistance number 2 before looking for downside potential. Quite straightforward, plain and simple. I do not complicate my trading. Okay, so I hope that you all have a clean understanding of what I basically just went through. If not, hey, feel free to drop a comment in the comment section. I will highly appreciate that. I will assist you on that. It's me, your boy D, and I'm out.